Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul today. So this one is going to be huge. I have found quite a few things that I wanted to share with you. So let's go ahead and just jump right in with the Easter stuff. So I did find quite a few signs. I found that big one. I know you guys have probably seen these all these signs before, but I thought I'd just share that I was able to pick them up. So I love this one. I'm going to put this into my front porch as people walk in. I think that will look so super cute. And then I did find the bunny and the carrots in the truck. I love this. I think this is so cute, and I love that they did the little bunny butt. I think that's so cute with those huge carrots. I got this one that says everybody welcome, every bunny welcome. Get it? I love that little pun. That's so cute. And then I got these two crossing signs. So this one is a little bit different. Oh, I didn't realize there was a big boo-boo on that one. I might have to go exchange that one. I love that they put the pop-up cut apart thingies on top. So I really think those are really cute. And then I bought a door dingly bell thing. I had one for Christmas, I had one for Valentine's Day, and now I have one for Easter. And then I also bought a bunch of these garlands for the 6 feet egg garlands. I do have a tree that I decorate. It's a little tree that I bought at Hobby Lobby that I decorate every kind of like holiday. It's like my holiday tree. So I will, I'll try to remember to load something on my Instagram when I do decorate with that tree. So yeah, that's what I bought these for. Like plates and napkins, and then they had the towels that went with them. So what I'm going to do with these towels is I will turn these into pillows. So I'm just going to open this up real quick so you can see. So I have like what it was like an old-fashioned phone table. It has a seat and then a little table next to it, all attached, kind of like a bench, and it sits right by my kitchen entrance. So I love having a pillow on that little bench thing. So these are the perfect size for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just sew this up and make it a little pillow, and I think that will make such a cute pillow. Wouldn't that be a cute pillow? And then I just bought this one just in case I wanted to actually use it as a table or as a towel. Okay, and along kind of the same lines, at St. Patrick's Day, I bought this. I probably, again, should have bought 2 of them. I don't know why I didn't. And I haven't seen them, so I probably won't find them again. But again, I thought this would make a nice little pillow to sit on that spot. I am having friends over on the 14th, so I thought it would be cute to decorate for St. Patrick's Day. I don't typically decorate for St. Patrick's Day, but since I've got friends coming over, I thought I would go ahead and decorate. So I just bought a couple more things. I've already bought quite a few things for St. Patrick's Day, but just wanted a couple more things as I was thinking about my decor. So I found this little guy, and then this sign, chalkboard sign, and I do have the chalkboard pen that I bought at the Dollar Tree not that long ago, which works really well, by the way. So recommend that if you see those. And then I bought this as well. I thought I could put this on my front door with the word like welcome. I'm going to paint this a green, but I'm going to do it like diluted so you can still kind of see the wood. And then I'll probably just use stickers for the welcome part. So I'm not sure. Hopefully that gets done before I have the friends over. And then I bought green cups just to go with that having friends over. And then in my holiday tree, I thought it would be cute to add these little picks. So one of them has the gold coins and the other one has the little shamrocks. So yeah, I thought these would be cute to kind of stick in different spots on that tree. And then I also bought garland already before in a previous haul, so I think that'll kind of fill up that space. So, all right, so I cannot stop buying this stuff. This fairy garden stuff. I'm going to throw up a picture right now, a couple of pictures of what my little fairy garden setup looks like. I'm also going to load them on Instagram when this loads, so if you want to take better looks at those and kind of zoom in, you can go to my Instagram. It'll be linked down below. But basically, I can't stop buying these things because now in the pictures that I have right here, yeah, so I'm going to load pictures of what it's going to look like, what it looks like. Now, just keep in mind I'm using the kind of spring fairy line now, but then what I think I'm going to do, because I have a lot of this kind of the candy, kind of ice cream stuff, I'm going to do this in summer. So when it comes summer, I'm going to switch it out for all of this kind of little cute ice cream candy stuff. So I found the little seats and chairs. I think that's really adorable. And then these little pathways, that I found those as well. Was really excited about that. And then I found the fairies that actually have the little sweets. So this one's holding like a lollipop. I know you probably can't see it because it's in this packaging, but I don't really want to take it out until I'm ready to use it. And then I found unicorns. I thought that was so cool. They had unicorns. So yeah, I bought that'll all put out during the summer. And then I found another thing of gnomes. I figured once I put it all together, I was like, oh, I don't have any gnomes. I only have the fairies. So I went ahead and bought the gnomes as well. And this is the one I picked out, the one that has the little mushroom. That's a water pot thing. And then the little, I think that's a shovel. So yeah, that's what I picked out for those. And then I had a set of the mushrooms, and I love how these look in there. So I definitely wanted to get another set of the mushrooms. So I was excited to find those. And then I found this little bridge and the little gnome sitting on the teeter-totter. I did find the little truck and the camper, which I was super excited to find. I think these are so cute. I think it goes like this. Yeah. I was super excited to find that. And then I found I bought a couple of the fences, and I found the little, what is that called? Cardinal. There you go. Cardinal with the treehouse. Now this, in proportion, it's not very proportioned very well, but I mean, if you look at it like from, like this is the seat, that's a really big treehouse, but I'm going to kind of put this off to the side, so it'll be fine. And then I love this little like bench gazebo thing. I think this is so cute. And then the little hedgehogs with their little apples sitting on their little log. I think that's so cute. I love this one. And then they're like, I love that the log is, yeah, I just think this one is really cute. So I'm super excited to add these to the thing, but I cannot buy any more because I literally don't even have room for these. I don't even know where I'm going to put them. But yeah, if I do see some more of the ice cream ones, I'll probably buy that. I still haven't found the truck or the camper. I think it's a camper, like a camper truck thing. I'm not sure exactly what it looks like, but I haven't found that yet. So I would be excited if I found that. And I think that's all. I'm not going to buy any more of it because I have so much. But I really do enjoy it. It sits right in front of my house when I walk in, and I super love it. I think it's so cute, and I get a lot of compliments when friends come over. So yeah, so I'm really excited that I found all these pieces. I forgot to include this in my Easter collection. I don't have any idea what I'm going to do with this, but I just keep seeing this, and I think it's so cute. I just couldn't pass it up again. I've just been, every time I go in there, I pick it up and, okay, what can I do with this? What can I do with this? And then I think, I don't know. And then I put it back, and then I'm like, why am I doing that? Just get it. I found this towel, and I have like a succulent cactus theme in my bathroom. So I thought this would be really cute when I have guests over to have them have this little towel looking sharp. So I was excited to find that. And then I found some more prayer boxes. Super excited that I found these. I've already given all the ones that I bought before away. So I was super excited to find these. I gave a lot for Christmas away, and they are so stinking cute. I love them, and I think it's such a good gift idea for $1, and it doesn't look like $1, and people in my life enjoy it. And kind of on the same lines as that, as I found these prayer cards. These were in the section where they have kind of like, I think they're calling it like the fun find section, where it has like a display of all the different little keychains and pens and novelty pins and stuff like that. That's where I found these at, and they are really great. They're basically a kind of they're like basically a 3x4 card. Come on out. Come out. And they're all the same pattern, but they all have different Bible verses on it. Aren't those really adorable? I think this is great. So I didn't know they had different colors. Oh, cool. So yeah, so they're all different, and I guess apparently they have 3 different colors, but they are all different. All of the Bible verses are different. So this is that one. I love these. Actually, I have a friend I'm going to give one of these to. Pull these ones out. I love these ones too. Look how beautiful that watercolor flowers are. So these are all the same. Oh, they have different, the color of the font is different. So again, all different scriptures, and the font colors are different. So they have like this purple, this kind of pale pink, and this kind of violet color. So really cute. And I did get several of these. Okay. And then I found some e.l.f. products. I don't typically buy their makeup there, but if it's an e.l.f., I do. And it's funny because I actually needed lipstick. So I love this one because it's got the sharpener on it already. Don't have any idea how good that sharpener is, but this like mauve color is really cool. And then I got this classy in the sociable, but I don't know if I'm gonna like either one of these colors, but I figure for $1 I could try it. And then I also bought this silicone face mask applier, and I didn't buy it for a face mask specifically. I bought it for my moisturizer. My moisturizer is in like a tube with like a tub, and it's hard for me to get in there without getting it in my nails. So I thought this would be perfect to scoop it out and kind of be able to not put my fingers and get moisturizer caught in my nail beds. My nail beds are really small, so it gets caught in there. So that's why I bought that. Then I found this magnetic light. I was the day before I got this, I was helping my mom put together some furniture, and I swear they make those things so small sometimes. And the picture was like, okay, it specifically had like a direction that the little thing that I was putting in, the little door slot thing, and I couldn't figure out what direction it is because the thing was so small. So I'm like, oh, and it was kind of dark where I was working. So I'm like, this would have been perfect for that. So I'm like, I'm going to buy this. And then I found this in the Crafter's Corner or Crafter Square, this like piece of wood. No clue why I bought this, but I bought it and it's in my house. So I'll figure out what to do with it someday. And then to add to my many collections of stickers, I found a couple of different wall stickers that I bought. I got this one that says all you need is love. This is a joke between me and my sister that I hate this saying. I think it's dumb because yes, you definitely need love in your life, but that's not all you need. So I think this would be funny too. I'm going to put this on a birthday present or something of hers. I'm going to cut this out and put it on like the front of her birthday present or something. And then I bought the arrows because the next Cheaply Chic journal is like a feather wing bird theme. So I just liked that this had the feathers in it, and so it kind of has like a little bit of a boho feeling to it, I think. So yeah, so that's why I bought this, so I can use this piece and then the feathers. And then I bought this one, Love Grows Here. I think that's really cute. I think I'm gonna put this in my Valentine's Day one or the February one that I'm creating for my son. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I do junk journaling. I have a junk journaling here on my channel. If you're interested, the playlist is always down below. But yeah, so that's what I love, using these in those journals. And then along the same lines of the feather next time, I thought these were really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit the whole thing in there, but I could cut this top part out and have just the feathers with the florals. I thought those were really super pretty. So I picked up those for, again, the journal collection that's coming out. Amazing Grace. I don't know why. The Grace is my word this year. So I was just drawn to this one. I think I've seen this before, but I've never picked it up. And then I loved this one. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Always Be Joyful. And joy was my word of the year last year. So, and then I found this really cute, the farm kind of style. Look how cute this one is. I thought this would be great in a planner spread. Not sure. I love that the stickers aren't too big, but they're big enough to like make an impact. So obviously I don't think I could use all of these in a planner layout, but I think they'll be really cute in a planner layout. So I think that is everything I wanted to share with you. Yep, that is everything I wanted to share with you today. So again, I am so glad that you stuck around this long. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.